Hey there, so here is the drill bit adapter, which is also my rivet gun. And let's see, there is a small piece at the end that unscrews so you can change the size of the rivet. So all you have to do is to open up your drill and then stick this in, tighten it. This part slides over. So I drilled my holes already, and I'm just going to put the rivet into the two spots I drilled. And then all you have to do is put this over the end of the rivet, and you have to hold this to engage it. And that's it. It's delivered the rivet already, reverse the drill, and the pin spits out. So, let's show you one more time. Rivet's engaged. Spit out the pin. So here's my teeter, and it is a fiberglass skin that I put rubber over, and I was just going to show you how to get a rivet into the teeter. So I drilled my hole and I'm through the frame, and so I'm just going to grab my rivet, put that in, and then again, to get the attachment on, it's just a matter of changing the bits. And then take it out, and you're done. There's the rivet head. I do like using these more than screws, only because with the elements and whatnot, if the screw head rusts, sometimes they can be really to get out if you need to refinish your equipment. This teeter's been refinished twice now in 12 years. But it's been easy to switch the skins out because of the rivets.